Hi guys, once again welcome back to my channel MK videos. So in these videos I am going to discuss about how to crack or to remove the watermark of Wondershare Filmora X or 10. Okay, so it is very easy step to crack Wondershare Filmora, so you can use the Wondershare Filmora 10 without the watermark and export videos. Okay, it's very easy, so watch the video carefully. If you are watching my video first time, then please subscribe my channel and touch with the bell icon. Okay, let's go. So guys, at first we need to download some additional installation file. So I'll give you the link to enter this site in the description box, and you can enter this site from this description box. If you scroll down, then you can see an downloading button. Okay, you just click on the downloading button and you can start the downloading page automatically. You do not need to click any other option. To start the downloading button, but I am already downloaded it, so I am cancelling the downloading. Okay, after the downloading, just exit the Chrome and move the file into desktop. You can see here the file. Now you have to click right on it from your mouse and click on extract file and replace option and click on OK to start the extracting. If any password asking, then click on 123, just type 123 as a password and start extracting. This takes some time. After extracting, you can see a folder in the desktop. Okay, just more wonder, open the file, then you can see a Wondershare Filmora folder here. After installation process complete, untick the user experience program and launch the Wondershare Filmora. Okay, that's simple step. After launching, we can check the Filmora is cracked or not. Just go to help section and active the Filmora option. Then you can see it is still inactive. Okay. So you now exit the Filmora and enter the downloaded folder again and open Wondershare Filmora folder again, and on the top you can see the crack file. Just double click on it to open and you see here 4 files in here. Now just move to the right side on my computer again and open Windows C folder. Click on it and open program file folder and search for Wondershare. You can see in the bottom and press the Wondershare folder and open it. Then you see Wondershare Filmora. Just open it and you can see more folders, files here. Okay, just hold it. You can go to the folder section and now copy and paste this to DII file application extension file to second page. Okay, it's very easy. You can just copy the file from here. Now paste this to file here, program folder. Okay, it's very easy, and click on the replace file option. Okay guys, so we are finally almost done 99% of cracking process. Last you need to open the host patch folder and click on the patch folder and the cracking process is just finished. Okay, now we can check the Filmora is cracked or not and open the Wondershare Filmora 10 and go to the help section and click on the active Wondershare Filmora. Click on it. Now you can see the Filmora is successfully activated, so you can crack the Wondershare Filmora. Now you can export and import videos without the watermark. So you can see that it's very easy step. So if you are like the videos, please subscribe my channel and also like to the video. If you have any doubt, please put a comment below. So see you in the next video. Goodbye.